KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my butter chicken balls. Does that sound weird? No, it's not. So we're going to make our little bit of our Indian and Italian fusion meal. Alright, first thing I've got is a 400 gram can of tomatoes that goes straight into a food processor. Right, just like that, really nice and simple. And we're going to make our own little bit of passata. Don't have to buy it, just make it yourself. It's quick, it's easy, and you know what is in it. So here I've got 8 chicken sausages, and I'm just going to make little meatballs out of those. Just squeeze the meat straight out of the casing. My oven is sitting at 180 degrees. They go in about 25 minutes. Around about 80 grams worth of butter can go into a nice warm pan, just like that. And we're going to melt that down a little bit so we can get the rest of our sauce happening. Alright, so far so easy. Around about 4 cloves of garlic. I'm using garlic paste. It just emulsifies really well into a sauce, and it's economical and lasts quite a while. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons worth of garam masala. Yes, I do buy a good garam masala from my little Indian place down the road, and 2 teaspoons worth of ground coriander and 2 teaspoons worth of ground cumin. They can go in, get those all heated up, and start getting those little bits of fragrance happening. The place is already smelling like an Indian restaurant, believe it or not. I'm going to add in around about 5 to 6 cardamom pods. They go straight in just like that. I'm also going to add in around about a 1/4 teaspoon's worth of ground cinnamon. You could put a cinnamon stick in there if you want to do this slowly, but we're going to do this the quick and easy way. 2 teaspoons worth of paprika. I'm using a smoked paprika. You can use a sweet or a hot paprika if you want that little bit of spice, but I like my smoked paprika. That can go in. We're going to get those all frying off as well. Alright, so far so easy. And if you haven't tried making your own curries before, especially a butter chicken, wow, why not? It is so easy to do. That little bit of passata that we've made, we're going to add that straight in just like that. And if you don't have a food processor, you can buy a passata from your local supermarket or delicatessen. Alright, but this is the quick, easy and inexpensive way. That passata costs 60 cents instead of spending whatever they want to charge you. 3/4 of a cup's worth of chicken stock that goes straight in just like that. Okay, make sure we keep stirring this from time to time, and look how beautiful and velvety that sauce looks already. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. Okay, that can go straight in like that, and that's going to really enrich our flavor and the color. It's going to really look amazing. I'm also going to add in a little bit of cream. I'm going to add in probably 300 mils worth of cream, or 1/2 pint's worth of cream. That can go straight in. We've added our little balls in, and all we're going to do now is start simmering that off. Now Mrs. KP is already cooking up some brown rice, and all we have to do now is serve that beautiful butter chicken balls and some brown rice. How good and how easy and quick was that to do? Right, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. If you don't like this video, hey, I'm telling you, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. Alright, share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and love responding to them, no matter how good or how bad they are. And you bad ones that leave comments, yes, you know who you are. Alright, in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really budget, restaurant quality and tasting, just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my butter chicken balls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.